What's good with the J-Ham fans? This is your boy J-Ham coming back at y'all with another video. And in today's video, I just want to come back and let y'all know that I appreciate y'all so much. Like when I tell y'all I went to sleep and I woke up at 800 subscribers, that's exactly what I meant. I went to sleep and I woke up at 800 subscribers, 800 flat, and I know 801, I know 805, and I know 802, 800 flat. Screenshotted it and everything like that. So with that being said, you already know what time it is. It's time to get this giveaway away. And here you go right here. I don't think I never zoomed in and told y'all exactly, how to. I never opened the box, y'all. I know it's a CANT mirror for sure, but I never popped the seal on it. I never did none of that because at the end of the day, it's not my stuff. It's for one of my lucky subscribers. It's not my business to see what's up in here. But look. Is it blurry?
No, where I had it is good.
All right, that's the duration, that's the lobe, that's all that. All right.
We did it, y'all.
We got that, and then y'all probably wondering like, what are these two kids standing right here? That's my little brother. You did what? Wait, where you at? Where you at? Where you at? What you gonna be doing?
Pulling the names out.
All right, it's only one name. What we pulling out of? A bowl or a bag?
A bull.
All right. What we doing?
I can't wait to see who wins.
Hey, y'all. They wanted to be a part of the video, y'all. Hey, so I had to do it. It was supposed to be my little brother. He was gonna pull a name out of the bowl for me because I didn't want to do it because I didn't want nobody to say, well, he cheated. I didn't want none of that to happen. So I was gonna shake the bowl up on camera and everything. Because last time I checked, it was like 30 people in the comments. And in this video too, if you're watching this, I want you guys to go over and head over to the BTR cam giveaway video and go ahead and drop your name, your YouTube name only, in the comment section below, and that's how you're entered into the giveaway. I want to do the giveaway. Let's say we cool with the first of the year.
Yeah.
That's a cool date. All right, y'all. So that's how we're gonna do it. The giveaway will be done the first of the year. So the January 1st, we can go ahead and ship this thing off. Other than that, y'all, that's my little brother. That's my little sister. They gonna be a part of the giveaway. He gonna pull the names out, and she said she can't wait to see who wins, y'all. So with that being said, thanks for rocking with your boy. Like I always say, slow motion better than no motion any day. And y'all,
Can I do it?
Y'all see?
We did it, y'all.
Hey, y'all. Your boy is happy, y'all. I just woke up, y'all, so don't bear with me, but it mean a lot. You really do. I'm excited, y'all. So more giveaways to come. We got a lot of more stuff coming. I know it be days, y'all, I want to give up, but for some odd reasons, like I can't give up. Like I say, slow motion is better than no motion. Hey, anybody that's watching this video, if you got a business that's going or you trying to do something that's not taking off yet, please don't give up, y'all, because at the end of the day, when I first started this YouTube stuff, still to this day, I don't get as many views, as other YouTubers, but at the end of the day, I'm not tripping on that because I know for a fact that I got lower subscribers that's on the channel. Like if I don't post a video in a while, some people come and say, where you been at, bro? So with that being said, it's just, I appreciate y'all. That's what keep me going, y'all. So if you got 20 subscribers or 30 subscribers, don't give up, y'all. Just keep going, keep flowing, keep going with the flow.
I see what you're doing.
Huh?
I see what you're doing. Did somebody win it yet?
We just made
Some modifications. I need to know which ones you had.
Oh yeah, I can definitely tell you everything that I done did. We should have had them running by the 17th of January. That's my birthday.
All right, good looking out, man. I see you though.
All right.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. I had to stop the video.
Hey,
but
you stopped it?
yeah, a little bit.
Wow.
I restarted. It's going right now.
All right, y'all. So with that being said, the dude who just drove away, y'all, that's just proving facts. Like he didn't even know I had a YouTube channel. It's one of Pop's neighbors, but he didn't even know I had a YouTube channel. So with that being said, doing some research, he got the same little S10, got on YouTube and seeing the little S10 that I'm doing. I want to know the modifications I've been doing. So even more facts. 800 subscribers, y'all. Like I said in the last video, we got subscribers from all over the world. Get out the street, y'all. Don't stop. Don't give up. It's coming. Slow motion better than no motion any day. And the subscribers that you do got, don't stop giving content to them because you're not up there with the big YouTubers yet. Your time gonna come. Stay down, stay humble. Gone. My bad, gang. I did forget to add. My mom just called me and told me that I should have added that I'm gonna announce the giveaway, and whoever win on the 1st of January, which is New Year's, my little brother gonna pull it out of the hat. But then you can't ship out on New Year's, because I was gonna try to do it around 3:30 so I can make it to the post office. Hopefully whoever win, they be, you know, tuned in that day. So whoever win, I was gonna go ahead and get the information and shoot to the post office and get it shipped off the same day. But what I'm gonna do is, since it's a holiday and it's probably gonna be closed, I wanna go ahead and do it the following day, which is January 2nd. And it happens to be my little sister's birthday, y'all. So with that being said, not the one that y'all seen, I got 5 sisters. So it happened to be her birthday, January 2nd. So what I'm gonna do is, that morning, the following morning, I'm gonna get up and head right to the post office and get it shipped off to you guys, to get it to you guys as soon as possible, y'all. So like I said, once again, thank y'all for rocking with your boy. It mean a lot. And then for the ones who feeling down about their channel, I was just been thinking about it. When I was on Facebook, when I did have a Facebook, I was in a YouTuber group, a smaller YouTuber group, and they were saying, you know, people was complaining about how many subscribers they had. And one guy commented and said, make a lot of sense. He said, if you're in a room and there's 50 people in a room and they all there for just you, how would you feel? If you're in a room and there's 20 people in a room, they all there just to hear you talk or see you, how would you feel? And it goes on and goes on and goes on. I got 800 subscribers now, y'all. So it's like, it's a blessing to me, y'all. I'm actually hyped. Don't give up, y'all. Keep going. I know y'all, some of y'all probably thinking like, man, this dude talking like he's just all the way up there. It's not even like that. It's just like, it's just being humble, y'all. It just feel good. I ain't gonna lie to you. It feel good to just know that your work ain't going to waste, and that you actually trying to learn how to tweak and try to, you know, get better and better and better every day. I do try to listen to my subscribers and stuff like that. Your boy happy, y'all. I can't even lie. I can't even cap, y'all. So stay tuned for the truck. The truck will be done hopefully January 17th. I just pressed the button on eBay. I think I want to do another giveaway. I know y'all probably saying, this dude trying to do all these giveaways. Look, I want to do another giveaway too, because once the truck get done, it's a budget build truck. Everything was basically bought off eBay and Rock Auto. So other than that, whoever can get the who can guess the closest amount that I spent on the truck once the truck is completely done, I want to tally up everything. I'm talking about everything from every bolt to every header to everything. I want to just tally up everything, y'all. So with that being said, stay tuned for that also. But that's gonna be another video. It's just a little hint out there, but we're gonna get this thing pumping and jumping, y'all. And the reason why I think it is good to do giveaways, I don't have it all like that, but I am blessed enough to do little small stuff. So with that being said, for the people that's not, you know, in the position to do the type of stuff that they want to do right now, I mean, I just like giving a helping hand, y'all. So stay tuned, stay blessed, stay sucker free. Go on.